Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher, Andalib Jannat, Class 5, English version, Lightfair School. Today I will discuss from your scene passage, Unit 15, Lesson 1 of English Part book, Model Question 22. All candidates know it very well. There will be two types of passages, scene passage and unseen passage. From scene passage, you have to answer question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. As previous day I have already discussed on question number 1, today I will discuss from question number 2 and 3. And previous day I read the passage, that's why I will not read it today. I'm going the rest of the part of this passage, the next page. This is the second part of this passage. As previous day I read it, so I will not read this passage again. I will go to the next exercise, okay? Please read it from your textbook. Exercise number 2. This is very important for you because you are making mistakes too much with this exercise. So students, be very careful of this exercise. One important thing is, if you see that the information of a statement is similar to passage, the answer will be false. Did you get it? If you see that any information of a statement is similar to passage, the answer will be false, because you have to get the information exactly from the passage. Then the answer will be true. Okay. That means, I will repeat it again. When you get any information of a statement which is totally match with exactly match with your passage, then the answer will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. Okay. So let's start from number A. Birthday is a special day to person because the person celebrates the day with a cake. Is it true? No, this is false. Why? You have to go to the passage that the first sentence is, a person's birthday is a special day. This is the date when the person was born. So you can get information from here that as this is the date when the person was born, that's why the party is very special. But in the true false, the statement number A, you can see that they are saying birthday is a special day to person because the person celebrates the day with a cake. Is it special only for the cake? No, this is not special for cake. This is special because this is the date when the person was born. That's why the statement is false. Number B. People around the world celebrate birthdays especially. Is this correct or wrong? This is also false statement. Why? Go to the passage. You can see on the passage that people around the world celebrate birthdays in different ways. Exactly the information is that type of in the passage, but the statement is saying that people around the world celebrate birthdays specially. This is not exactly matching. That's why the statement will be false. Number C. Cake is made to celebrate the day. Is it okay? Go to the passage. The passage is saying that in many countries, people celebrate with a cake. Not they are making the cake. They are saying that in many countries, people celebrate with a cake. But in this statement, you can see that cake is made to celebrate the day. Cake is made. This is not correct, that's why. Cake is not made actually in the passage. Number D. Candles are lit on the cake. Yes, this is it is okay because this is the correct answer according to the passage. Okay. Number E. A boy of 10 years has 9 candles on the cake. Is it correct statement? No, because in the statement we can see that there is one candle for each year of the person's life. So, in that statement we can see that a boy of 10 years has 9 candles. No, this is not correct because if the statement was like that a boy of 10 years has 10 candles, that one could be the true statement, but this is not true because the statement is not matching with that. Number F. If some countries in some countries a party is arranged for a child's birthday. Yes, this is exactly from the passage. You can see that statement. That's why it is also a true statement. So, students, be very careful about to match the statement with your passage. You should be very careful if you are you get the information from passage or not. True the statement will be true in that case when you get it exactly from the passage. Okay, that's for all. That's all for true false. Okay. Now, exercise number 3. Answer the following questions in a sentence or sentences. So, for this exercise, I would like to give you the information like the last exercise, true false. For this exercise also, you have to get informations exactly from the text. Okay. So, number A, write the names of 3 things as birthday gifts. The answer will be the names of 3 things as birthday gifts are a toy, a book, and some clothes. Exactly from the question. Number B, what do people around the world do on birthdays? Here I can mention that you sometimes you are writing another informations from the passage like the key points of birthday celebration, but I would like to mention here that what do people around the world do on birthdays? This question you can exactly match with a sentence of the passage. Okay, that's why when you can match exactly the question with the passage with one sentence of a passage, then you should take the information exactly from that sentence and answer the question. Okay, so the answer will be On birthdays, people around the world celebrate the event in different ways. Okay, that's all. See, what is the use of cake on birthdays? The answer will be, on birthdays, cake is used to celebrate the day. Sometimes candles are put on the cake. This is also from textbook. D. Who bring birthday gift for the birthday child? Here I can mention that sometimes you are writing the answer like birthday child's friends and relatives and neighbors are bringing the gift, but in the passage they are not giving the information like that. They are giving information only child's friends are bringing birthday gift. So the answer is the birthday child's friends bring birthday gifts for him or her. In that questions, you should not answer another word. You should not use another word related to which is not related to passage. It can be the correct statement. It can be the correct answer, but as it is from seen passage, you have to answer it from seen passage. You should not write that type of wrong word which is not mentioning in this passage. Okay, number E. What is the most important thing on birthday? There is another problem also. In that question, according to that question, you can go to the passage and see that in the last sentence of this passage, exactly they are mentioning that type of sentence. That's why you should follow the last sentence to answer the question. Like the answer will be, the most important thing on a birthday is to enjoy the day and spend time with friends and family. But sometimes you are writing not exactly like that. You are writing the key points of birthday, important another thing of birthday, but according to this passage you have to match the exact answer. Try to match the exact answer with the passage. Okay, next page I'm going. Here you can see the answer of exercise number 3. Okay, A. The names of 3 things are birthday gifts, are a tie, a book, and some clothes. B. On birthdays, people around the world celebrate the events in different ways. C. On birthdays, the cake is used to celebrate the day. Sometimes candles are put on the cake. Number D. The birthday child's friends bring birthday gifts for him or her. E. The most important thing on a birthday is to enjoy the day and spend time with friends and family. Okay, no more today. I will explain the exercise number 4 next time inshallah. Allah Hafiz for today.